What's up, Pilipinas? Today we celebrate the International Youth Day here in De La Salle University, headed by UNIDO, together with Bantop 6. And here we want to express to the world that the youth can answer and give solution to the planetary crisis, the three planetary crises, that is pollution, climate change, and loss of biodiversity. We desire in this event that everyone, especially the students and youth, to feel that they have the capacity to mobilize and to give solution to this climate, to this planetary crisis. So, mabuhay ang mga kabataan at tunay na ipinagdiriwang namin ngayon ang pandaigdigang araw ng kabataan para sa kinabukasan ng lahat ng tao at para sa ikabubuti ng ating kalikasan. What's up, Pilipinas?
Oh, let's do the shout out again, but this time with let's mobilize and ignite after What's Up Pilipinas, okay? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
What's up, Pilipinas? Let's mobilize. Ano ba? Tama na ba ako, no?
Oo, tama.
Okay, 1.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
What's up, Pilipinas? Let's mobilize and ignite! Yay!